Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling one of the biggest hurdles in English learning, common mistakes that 99% of learners make. If you want to sound more like a native speaker, stay tuned because I'm going to share quick fixes that you can start using right away. First up, let's talk about verb tenses. A lot of learners say things like, I have went to the store instead of I have gone. Always remember, when using the present perfect, use the past participle. I have gone, not I have went. Practice this tip every time you speak about experiences. Next, prepositions. It's common to hear, she is good in singing, when it should be, she is good at singing. Good at, not good in. Small changes like these make a huge difference in sounding natural. Another common mistake is subject-verb agreement. For example, instead of saying, they goes to school, say, they go to school. They go, not they goes. Keep an eye on your subjects and verbs, especially with plural forms. Many learners mistakenly use double negatives like, I don't need no help. Instead try, I don't need any help. I don't need any help. One negative is enough. This simple tip can clear up a lot of confusion and help you sound more polished. Lastly, let's cover misplaced modifiers. For example, walking through the park, the trees looked beautiful. Suggest that the trees were walking. Instead say, while I was walking through the park, I noticed the trees looked beautiful. Place your modifiers near what they describe. This will help avoid ambiguity in your sentences. Stop making these mistakes today and start speaking with confidence. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily English tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.